Best Home Security Cameras of 2021. These are the best devices on the market now. If you're looking to keep your home safe and secure, it might be time to invest in a home security camera. There are plenty of excellent security cameras and video surveillance systems to choose from, with cameras that offer features such as two-way communication, motion tracking, night vision, cloud storage, smart notifications, professional monitoring and HD video for top-notch video quality. With numerous options on the market, including specifically indoor, outdoor, wireless or DIY security cameras, it can feel daunting to find a perfect match for the camera system you have in mind. We've tested dozens of cameras and condensed everything we've learned into this list. Below, you'll find the best home security cameras in every major subcategory, from smart doorbells to the models that work well with Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa and Siri voice commands. Some are fairly simple, with a motion sensor that sends a push notification to your smartphone when they detect movement, while others come with features such as professional monitoring and cloud storage that prevent you from having to sift through hours of footage. If you're looking for the best home security camera, get ready to dive in. We'll update this list periodically. The best of the best. Best Security Camera. Wyze Cam, 2020. Wyze disappointed some of its customers when its ridiculously cheap cameras got slightly less ridiculously cheap. But at $30, the Wyze Cam remains a great budget surveillance camera, and a great camera. Period. It features HD video quality live streaming, motion detection, night vision, a decent app and, best of all, 14 days of free motion-based cloud storage. This Wyze camera also features a built-in microcard slot if you want local video storage rather than relying solely on its cloud service. This home security camera works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands and features a motion detection zone and the ability to listen for and alert you to special frequencies, like smoke alarms. Read our Wyze Cam 2020 review. Best Video Doorbell. Arlo Video Doorbell. Now this is a smart security camera. The $150 Arlo Video Doorbell, currently $20 off, has a lot going for it. While $130 isn't cheap, it's more affordable than most of the other smart buzzers I've tested. As a doorbell camera, it's built to be an outdoor camera, so you don't have to ever worry about the elements. Similar to the Arlo Pro 3 outdoor security camera, the Arlo Video Doorbell has arm, disarm modes, two-way audio, motion zones and an integrated siren. It also has a competitive cloud storage subscription plan, starting at $3 per month. If you pay for cloud storage, you get access to advanced features like custom person, animal, vehicle and package detection for your video surveillance. Best Outdoor Security Camera. Arlo Pro 4. Arlo's latest Pro Series camera is a fantastic device with features to spare. It boasts 2K resolution, a 160-degree field of view, two-way talk, full-color night vision, a built-in siren and spotlight, compatibility with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant and Apple HomeKit. The list goes on. This powerhouse of a camera costs only $200, pricier than super affordable options like Wyze, but easily worth the premium. For $3 per month, you can also get smart alerts, motion zones, 30 days of event history and a few other cool features. In short, the Arlo Pro 4 is a fantastic security camera for most people. Best Google Assistant Camera. Nest Cam, battery. Google's newest Nest Cam with battery is a fantastic gadget for a competitive price. For $180 you get a security camera with 1080p resolution, a 130-degree field of view, night vision, two-way talk, the works. What's really cool about the Nest Cam is that it includes some clever features without any subscription necessary, including 3 hours of event history and smart notifications, people, vehicles and animals. If you're a Google Assistant loyalist, this is one of the best home security cameras you can buy. Final thoughts. When installing wireless security cameras, keep in mind that the smart home camera you buy, and your security system as a whole, will only be as good as quality of your Wi-Fi. Connection at the location where you plan to install it. So check your Wi-Fi speed before you drill holes in the walls or otherwise mess up your doorframe, brick or siding. If the connection is spotty on your wireless security camera, you'll notice significant lag times, pixelation in the live feed and other delays that make security cameras a pain to use. With a good Wi-Fi connection, you should be in good shape to use your indoor camera or outdoor security camera without any major issues.